In front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to hit apps over here. Then choose manage apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and finally hit other settings. Now select the default apps here and tap on one of those sections you wish to manage, like gallery. Then tap on an app you wish to apply, and when you finished, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!